Why? Because your 2 and 3 are different. 2 and 3 are different. So that means you can give every possible simple mathematics will work out. Okay? So 2p, 3p is not going to be a problem. Right? You just write 1, 0, minus 1, plus or minus up, plus or minus up. Again for this guy, you write 1, 0, minus 1, plus or minus up, plus or minus, and take all the possibilities, it will be just fine. Why? Because तुमको पाउली एक्सक्लूशन प्रिंसिपल चेक करने का जो प्रॉब्लम है, that whether all the quantum numbers are becoming same, you have to do some little bit brainstorming in your head, you know, that is not required because 2 and 3 are different, so every combination is acceptable. So let us see how we can do the 2p3, right? So 2p3, let us write ml1, ml2, ms1, ms2, maybe a little bit छोटा छोटा करके लिखना चाहिए मुझे. ml1, ml2, let us write ms1, ms2, summation ml, summation, oh no, we should give little bit space, summation ml, summation ms, right? For 2p3 also you have to do this because your nl is same for all the electrons. For all the electrons your nl is same. So you are only worried about ml and ms of each electron. Okay, so that's why we just wrote this. For 2p, 3p you have. So how did we work out the 2p? So I wrote plus 1, and then I realized that in order to have the whole set of quantum numbers to be different, I can only have plus and minus combination. I could not take. Then for plus 1, 0, because they are all 0, I had all the possibilities. So what is the meaning? That means I could write 2 here, I could write 2 here. And for this guy, I wrote, so let us give a plus 1, and I had 4 possibilities, right? And then I have plus 1, 0, minus 1, okay? What happened? In this case also I had plus minus up. So this is 0, this is again plus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So this is 2p2. From there you will do the 2p3. If you just start working with 2p3, it may be a little bit tricky, okay? That's why you need to go back to your roots all the time. So 2p3, okay, so plus 1 is 0, so you can now start with 0. 0 again plus 1, but 0 plus 1 is common, so you do not worry about this, right? 0, 1 is done. So 0, 0. 0, 0 means what? 0, 0 means again the same problem as here, 1, 1. So I need to make only plus minus. So this will be 0, this will be 0. And then 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. What will happen? 0, minus 1 has not happened. So you can make it plus minus, plus or minus. So this becomes your minus 1. So this is plus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. And then minus 1. Okay, minus 1 again plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is common as this, so it makes no sense. Minus 1, 0. You just wrote the minus 1, 0. So minus 1, minus 1. Again, that will give you plus minus. So this becomes minus 2 and 0. So that's how we got the 15 microstodes, and we have classified them into 3p, 1d, 1s. Okay? So that was my that was my P2 configuration, right? Okay. So now what I can do is that I can take this and build on from here the 2p3. So what happens? I think I need to do it here. So ml1 chota chota karke likhte. I thought we could do it here, but it is not possible. You will see why. So ms, ms2, ms3. So then summation ml, summation ms. Okay, this is just to make things very comfortable for you. So because P2 is governed by this, so I can take this as a P2. It has eliminated some possibilities. So I'll bring P3, the third electron. I thought I will do it here, that ML3 and MS3, but it may not be so obvious. That's why I am doing it again, right? So +1, +1. So I'll take +1, +1. And what I'll do, I'll give three possibilities, right? So +1, +1. I am writing this. You please try to work out yourself. Okay? मैं जिंदगी में ऐसा बहुत बार किया है. But it is for you to do it. Okay? So I'll do it. It's a very easy way to do, but you just have to be careful. That's why I'm holding this. So +1, +1 I take. Now I will give 3 ML3. +1, 0, -1. Right? So let us do +1. What happens if I do +1? And what about this? So I just write whatever I got from MS1, MSP2. So this much was there. Just understand the first step. So this I just wrote it from P2 business. Now I am introducing one more electron. Is it okay? The class can follow, right? Is it okay? Anybody can say yes? No? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you so much. So this, just follow the transition, very simple process. If you understand, it can be very easy. If you do not understand, it may take your whole life. These are things like that. That is why the 0 and 1 is so interesting. समझ आ गया तो 0 भी समझ आता है, 1 भी आता है, but नहीं आता है तो कभी नहीं आता है. Right? So it's very simple. But so +1, +1, I just wrote it from there. Plus up, minus up. I am not asking any more question because P2 is settled. So the third electron comes. Now, how is the situation changing? That's what you have to do. So I give, again, as I said, I'll give the third electron all the possibilities. +1, 0, -1. Let us write here, MS3. And what will be the possibilities for MS? I'll give both possibilities, plus up, -1. There is no other thing in this world, right? So I give +1. शुरू करते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Can you tell me what is going to happen? I can give two values to the MS3, which is plus up or minus up. Yes? So if I do that, what is going to happen? I hope you are not sleeping, okay? Who can say? I have fixed +1 and I have two possibilities, plus up or minus up, right? So what is going to happen? Anybody can say? Adrija, Manish, Rohan, Shurbi, और क्या बोलते हैं, सुरंजना, कोई भी बोलो, अभिलिप्सा, ताहिती. Stumped?
Sir, MS3 may be plus half or minus half.
Yeah,
Here.
so you just choose any one. There is no problem, plus half.
Yes, sir, plus half.
So if I choose plus half, do you see that it is okay? So I have, do you see, suppose I write plus half, right? Suppose I write plus half. So what is going to happen? So my three electrons, now let us write electron 1, electron 2, electron 3. For each of them, your NL quantum number is same, right? 2 and 1, because I am considering 2p3 or 3p3 or 4p3 or whatever. So you see that NL quantum numbers are same for three electrons? Tahiti?
Yes, sir.
So can you just tell me what are my ML and MS quantum numbers for three electrons according to this thing in the table?
For electron 1, ML will be +1. And electron 2 also +1 and electron 3 also +1.
Okay. And what are the MS values that we have written?
We have written plus half, minus half, and plus half.
Plus half, minus half, plus up. यही है ना? Right?
Yes.
So now what do you see? If I look at this guy and this guy, my 4 quantum numbers are different because NL is same, NL is same, NL is same. But my ML and MS are plus 1 and minus up, right? For this guy, ML and MS is plus up, minus up. So it is okay. But what about here? I see that there is a plus, there is a minus. Don't you think that this is same as electron 1?
Yes.
So can I take?
No, this combination I can't do.
So you said that, so I can, you said, you now only said that, so this plus I cannot write. Can I write minus?
No, sir. Then also will be both electron 2 and electron 3 will have same set of quantum numbers.
Very good. So what does it mean?
It means that we have to discard this combination.
You understand how simple it is?
Yes, sir.
I asked you to stand. That is the reason. I hope everybody in the class understand. So this is a violation of Pauli exclusion principle. But the problem is that for each of the cases, if you have to work this much, then it is problematic, right? But now that you have figured out, so what is the rule to immediately see that this is, you must find out a shortcut after you have worked out. That shortcut will come to you only if you work it out. So this is a violation of Pauli exclusion principle. I cannot write that. Okay. So ठीक है. So now I'll take plus 1. So this is plus 1, 0. Plus 1, 0. What is going to happen? Somebody please. Plus 1, I had the 4 possibilities, right? Sorry, plus 1, no, plus 1. Yeah, this is always plus minus. Let me write it like this. Plus 1, and this is minus. So we are keeping this guy fixed, right? This guy fixed. We are changing only ML3 and MS3. 1, 0, minus 1. This one is impossible. So now I have to work out plus 1, 0. Plus minus is already sitting there. What do I do? What is my MS3 allowed values? What should happen? I have only 2 choices, plus or minus, right? So question is whether I can take both of them, or I can take only one of them, or I cannot take any of them. That means plus up होगा, minus up होगा, या कोई भी नहीं होगा. Abilipsa says both. Yes, you can easily see that because this is going to be 1 plus. So you can always make it like this, na? So this guy is 1/2. Second guy is, so your second guy is 1 minus half, right? Again the same. The third guy, now you said that 0. Third guy is, right? Third guy is 0. You see that first one has always remained the same because we are working with this and this. So this and this remain same. I am only changing the third one, right? So this becomes 0 half. If I give, so that is perfectly all right. There is no common, right? And I can also take minus of. That is also all right. No common. So I can take both of them, right? So what is the third one? What is the third one? I want you to answer, Abilipsa, bolo. So this question you please answer, okay? So this is also very good. So this was also like this. So I can take both plus and minus. Let us work it out. So this is 2. Let us also write the sums. So plus 1, 0 is 2. And this guy is going to give you plus half or minus half. 2. Because we do not have much space. So this guy is going to give you plus 1. Okay? Plus 1, minus 1. Right? So plus 1. And this is also going to be plus half, minus half. Okay? So this has completed my this guy. Now I come to plus 1, 0. Plus 1, 0, I will write exactly plus 1, 0, and this is nothing is going to be changed. The above. So now I work out the third electron. So please. So I have +1, 0, right? Okay. So I could take plus minus, I could take plus minus. That's how it is. 4 I already got. The question is the third one. +1, 0. We'll again take +1, 0, -1, +1. Now the question is what is going to happen? +1, 0, +1. Abhilipsa, can you tell me? Rohan says that can you take both of the plus and minus up? Rohan, you got your answer? We can take both of the plus up and minus up. Of course, we have taken both plus and minus up. I hope you are taking about 1, 1, -1. Okay. So what is going to happen to 1, 0, +1? Abhilipsa, can you tell me?
So we can again take both the
Bolo?
values. Yeah.
Bolo? What is going to happen? Who can say? बोल तो रहे हो कुछ बोलो ना. Manish says not possible. Why, Manish?
So if we take plus minus half for MS1, then we have to take minus plus half, like alternate of that MS1.
But the problem is you are missing the problem. See, +1, 0, +1. Don't you see that it is already taken here? It's a
Yes.
common.
Yes.
I think this is what you wanted to tell in the beginning, right? You see that this is exactly the same combinations. So यहाँ पे भी तो वही आंसर ही आएगा, because electrons are indistinguishable. Electron 1, electron 2, electron 3. It doesn't matter which one you call 1, 2, 3, right? But the combination is the same. You see that?
Yes.
So should I consider this anymore?
No, sir.
So this has to be discarded. You understand now exactly?
Yes, sir.
So please now tell me what is going to happen for the next one. So +1, 0, +1 is not there, okay? So +1, 0, I will take 0. 0. Now onwards, I will write only the unique possibilities. What will happen? This was there. +1, 0, 0. It is not there. So that means it should remain. Now the question is that how it will change here. How it will change here? How it will change here? See the 0, 0, if there is a 0, don't you see that 2 zeros means these two electrons के लिए एक half होगा minus half होगा, right? So this thing must be plus up and minus up because they are two common, right? But this guy can have two possibilities, plus up, plus minus, right?
Yes, sir.
So is it simple, no? You understand the logic? So this is +1. Again, you get plus up, minus up. What is going to happen? +1, 0, -1. क्या होना है? बताओ.
So I have a doubt.
बोलो.
So for capital MS value, the summation MS, so
Yes.
it can take also like 1, right?
Capital summation MS, right?
Yes, sir.
Summation MS can take any values. जितना सम होगा सबका MS करके मान लो you have 5 electrons, right? So you will take the MS value of each electron. Right? If for each of the electrons you have S value is agar plus up hai, then you will add them. But the problem is that the confusion.
So I understand.
Okay, but the problem is adding the S of each electron. Adding the S of each electron is not just half plus half plus half. When you did add the sum of S electron, I mean S, small s, not MS. When you sum the small s to get the small s sum for all the electrons, you just cannot take plus up and plus up. You have to take S1 plus S2 plus up to Sn, S1 plus S2 up to S1 minus S2 modulus. You have to do that, right?
Yes, sir. I understand.
So, but still it will be positive. But now once you are summing this, MS1 is summation ML is ML1 plus ML2 plus ML3. Summation MS is MS1 plus MS2 plus MS3. These things have plus minus restrictions. Each of them can be only plus or minus. But this guy will be absolutely coming from the sums. So whatever the sum is coming, it will be there. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So now please work out. I expect you to work it out. So please tell me, help me. So plus 1, 0, minus 1. What should I do?
So it can be plus minus for all of them.
Very good. You see how easy it is? So because they are all different, right? So it's very simple. So what should be the answer? This is 3, right? And this guy you can write. So it will be plus 3 by 2, plus half, minus half, minus 3 by 2, and you have another plus up, minus up, plus up, minus up. Okay? I hope I wrote it correctly. 3 by 2. Okay, okay. Then, so plus 1, 0 is also done. Okay? Plus 1, 0, minus 1. So now I work with 1 minus 1. Plus 1, you'll see how easy it is. Plus 1, minus 1. Right? Plus 1, minus 1. Then what will happen? I will again start with plus 1. Right? Just like this guy, 1, 0, minus 1. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Do you see a common here? Abhilip sir, do you see a common?
So it will be plus, plus minus, and minus.
But I have a problem because I see that there is a plus 1, minus 1 sitting here.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
So, can you keep it right? Can you write it, take it again?
No, sir. It won't be considered.
So, it will not be considered, okay? So, and then plus 1, minus 1, 0. What will happen to this guy?
It will be. It is also considered above.
We just worked out here the combination. Okay? So then plus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now what about this guy?
Plus, it is not considered. It will be plus minus and plus minus. Plus and minus.
So you have understood. At least one student has understood. I have verified it. Okay? But I'm sure all of you will understand. That's why I'm taking this pain to do all the time. So now plus 1, minus 1 is also done. Okay? Up now 0, 0. 0, 0. What is going to happen to 0, 0? I will take again 0, 0 plus 1. What about this guy? Will it stay?
No, sir. It is taken.
It is not going to stay because I can already see a 0, 0 plus 1. Okay? So then 0, 0, 0. Is it going to stay?
Violation of Pauli expression.
So you see that it is not possible. 0, 0, minus 1. What about minus 1? 0, 0, minus 1.
So it will be plus, minus, and plus minus.
Very good. Thank you so much. So, and then 0, 0, minus 1 is also done. Then 0, minus 1. Ab sabko samajh aa gaya? 0, minus 1. What will happen? 0, minus 1, 1. I'll write. What is?
So it is already considered.
It's already done. Okay? Very good. 0, minus 1, 0. 0, minus 1, 0. Kya ho raha hai bolo?
So it's also taken.
It's also done, right? It's a common. 0, minus 1, minus 1. What about this guy?
That will be plus, minus, and plus and minus.
Very good. And the last one, minus 1, minus 1. What about this guy? Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Let us see what is going to happen.
It is considered.
It's not going to survive, right? And then minus 1, minus 1, 0. -1 minus
It's
0.
just above. It's just above. It is
Yeah.
just-
And then -1 minus 1 minus 1.
Pauli explosion principle violation.
So it doesn't count. So your job is over. So just now you write these guys now properly. So this will become so
Minus 2. Sorry,
this
-1.
make this guy something like this: plus or minus 3 by 2, plus or minus half, plus or minus half, plus or minus half. There is a 1 3 by 2, 1 minus 3 by 2, and 6 of them plus or minus half. Okay, what is this thing now?
-1.
So -1, and this is plus half minus half, because this is 0. Okay, what is this?
-1.
-1. What about this?
Plus minus 1.
And what about this?
-2 plus minus 1.
-2. I hope everything is done correctly. So, is there any other possibility? Have we done everything? So, what is so how many states we got? How many states did you get from here? I believe, sir, how many states we have total?
We have 8 states.
8 states?
I don't know. 7.
There are always some traps and you are falling into the traps. इतना सब कुछ सब तो तुमने किया है. अब states कितना है बताओ? Who can say? Shiv Kumar says, your friend says 20. That's right. ये सब एक एक state नहीं है क्या? You have written half and minus half, right? It should be written 1 is there because the 2 states come from this, na? You correct? So there are 2 states here, 2 states here, 2 states here, 8 states here, 2 states here, 2 states here, 2 states here. That gives you 20. Is that correct, Abhilip sir? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So just now that you have worked out, so I'll just quickly write it from here, but you should be able to, because I don't want to waste any time anymore. So I am just in a position to write like this. Please verify. Plus 3 by 2, plus 3 minus 3 by 2, minus half, minus 3 by 2. And then very simple exercise. I just want to finish this. Plus 2 plus 1, 0 में ज़्यादा रखो, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. So what do I see is that, remember, so for each of these, so I am going to use a nomenclature like ML1 plus or minus, sorry, ML1 MS1, ML2 MS2, ML3 MS3. I am going to use this notation. Okay? And the only thing is that for plus or minus up, I'll just write plus for plus up, minus for minus up. Okay? So if I do this, so just one exercise. So these two only I'll ask you. The rest I'll just write it from there. So what is the configuration in that notation? So this should be 1 plus, right? Sorry, 1 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1 plus 1 minus 0 minus. Is that clear? And total sum ML is 2, total MS is half, and total MS is minus half. So that means total MS is 2, okay, plus half, 2 minus half. That means these 2 columns will be filled. Okay? So just see that. As I'm writing, you can follow. you are clear about it. So I am giving a, so 1 plus 1 minus 0 minus. Is it clear? Then I can quickly write the others. Is this clear? Adrija? A notation? Yes, sir. Abhilip sir, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So now I'll just quick write. So you can write, just verify that I am writing correct, okay? 1 plus, I may not be writing in that order, okay? 1 plus 1 minus minus 1 plus. But you can always count to check, double check. You can always double check. So 1 plus minus 1. That means it is 1. So it is in the 1. Plus, 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 minus up. So it is plus up. So it is in the plus up category. So it is okay. So then you will see there will be another one. 1 plus 0 minus. This guy will have 1 plus 1 minus minus 1 minus. And then 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus. Okay, so we'll have a lot of them in the zeros. I will have something over here, 1 plus 0 plus minus 1 plus. You can see that plus plus plus, it is 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2. 1 0 minus 1 0, so it is in 0. Okay, so 1 plus 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 plus minus 1 plus. Okay, you'll get one more, 1 plus 0 minus minus 1 plus. Okay, in fact 1 plus 0 minus minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus minus 1 plus 1 minus 0 minus minus 1 minus. Okay, actually if you have if you realize this table is very symmetric actually. Okay, so you can expect इसके नीचे भी इतना ही होगा. It will be like a mirror image. Okay, so you can write 0 plus 0 minus minus 1 plus, and then no, I think I made a mistake. 0 minus 1 is, oh, it may be all right actually. 0 plus 0 minus minus 1 plus 0 plus 0 minus minus 1 minus. Okay, and the last one is 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 minus, and 0 minus minus 1 plus minus 1 minus. Just count whether it is 20. There is some problem, right? Plus 1 में 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So there will be 2 more here. You see, it has to be there. यहाँ पे होगा कुछ, ठीक है? तो ये 20 यहाँ पे नहीं है, 2 मिसिंग है यहाँ पे. I made a mistake, so I cannot easily figure out because you have to check each of these guys. Okay, but what is important is that, so now what, ये सब तो ठीक है, ये सब तो ठीक है, but what has happened to my terms? That is the question. So how do I find out the terms? The last portion. I think yesterday a lot of you have to, but even if these two states are missing, right? I still can understand everything, no problem. Why? So what is my capital? This guy has only one entry, right? So every state, so these are the 20 states. These 20 states now will be clubbed, categorized into different terms. Is that clear? So that means I want to find out how from these 20 states I can find candidates which can be grouped together. That's the only thing. Out of 44 students, say I make four groups or 5 groups. How do I do? Excuse me. How do I do that? On what category? So just let me take some water. So can you tell me how am I going to do that? This is another step of this whole exercise. I think yesterday some of you had troubles. So Abhilip says worked a lot. So somebody else, maybe, who wants to volunteer? Anybody? Rohan, Shiv Kumar? Bolo? If you speak, you will learn more than me, or anybody. Priyanshu? No? Ashish? बोलो अभी क्या करेंगे हम हाउ टू क्लासिफाई देम
Sir, ML will be plus 2.
ML is plus 2.
2. L will be 2.
ML is equal to plus 2 means that means there must be somewhere on the earth और कुछ होना चाहिए क्या है
Plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2.
Because ML is equal to plus 2 just cannot come alone in this world na? It has to come with all these brothers Panchapandav के तरफ समझ रहे हो 0 minus 1 minus 2 these are valid ML values corresponding to plus 2 but this gives me a capital L of कितना दे which L value will give you these many MLs
Sir, 2.
L is equal to 2 right that's right so stay L is equal to 2 but I see that this so L is equal to 2 means so plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 why I am here because there is nothing here there is nothing here if एक चीज अगर यहाँ पे होंगे एक चीज अगर यहाँ पे होंगे तो उसके साथ बाकी सबको भी होना चाहिए so I cannot group them right so this guy has a capital MS of plus up right Ashish this
Yes,
guy
sir.
has a capital MS of plus up capital MS of plus up कहाँ से आ सकता है the I need S value right because my term symbol depends on capital L and capital S so I'm now going from the bottom to the top ML MS दिया गया मुझे L S ढूंढना है that's what we are doing right so what is my capital S
S can be half 1 by 2.
capital S can be
1 by 2.
capital S is half capital S cannot be capital S can be minus half also because if you sum so many things it can but for one of them it can be only plus but this is a sum so it can be minus half and plus half but I see it is plus half you see that yes so in this for this ML this particular configuration my ML was 2 MS was half right this is correct Ashish
Yes, sir.
so what is going to happen so that means I look for 2.5 1.5 0.5 minus 1.5 minus 2.5 these 5 candidates I am going to put them in one group you understand that is how I am grouping so यहाँ पे 2 है तुम कुछ भी एक ले लो यहाँ पे 3 है तो कोई भी एक but only one यहाँ पे 1 है 2 है और 1 यहाँ पे केवल एक ही है so 1 2 3 4 5 these 5 states are corresponding to a term समझे अभिलिप से समझ आया आशीष समझ आया how to get the terms out of this box
Yes, sir.
or no
Yes, sir.
so what is the term now this 5 will give me what term I'll get
Sir, L value is 2, so the term is P, symbol is P, and
Not
S
P,
is half,
D,
so
D.
2 is,
Capital L is equal to 2
yes,
means not P,
yes sir, D.
D. Okay? And this guy,
And capital S is half, so 2s plus 1, and that will be 2.
2s plus 1. But you also have to realize capital S जब तुम्हारा हाफ है, ये तो एक हिस्सा है. कैपिटल एस जब हाफ है, कितना एमएस वैल्यूज है बताओ?
1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2.
No, Ashish, how can you say that so quickly? What are your MS values? MS values can be twice s plus 1. How many MS values?
Okay.
For s is equal to half, how many MS values?
1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2.
So how did you say 0? Right? That doesn't make sense because you have 2 and half is 2 values, right? Minus s to plus s, right? So it is minus half and plus half. So these guys will not just go alone. They will also take one pair from here. Because 2 half is there and also it has to go with 2 minus half. See that? Abhilip sir, you understand?
Partial.
Sir, bolo?
Not very clear.
Not very clear. Okay. So, but did you understand how we get L and S? Capital L
Yes,
and capital. That
yes,
much
sir,
you
that
understood, right?
yes, sir.
So now the question is that capital L is equal to 2, so you got 5 ml values. But if capital S is equal to half, how many ms values I have?
2.
2. Which are those values? Minus
Plus
s to
minus
plus s.
yes,
That means minus half and plus half.
yes.
Right? So I look for plus half ms, right? These are the ms values. ms value का plus half यहाँ पे है, ms value का minus half यहाँ पे है. So these two will give you the capital S is equal to half components.
Yes,
Yes or no?
yes.
So this is coming from, so this is your ms is equal to plus half. You see the why we keep on asking about basics. ms is equal to plus half जब है, ms is equal to minus half also has to be there. But they can come from only capital S is equal to half. You said that capital S is equal to half hai, so ms will take minus half to plus half. That's as simple as that.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that means 2 and half is also there, 2 and minus half also has to be there. 1 and half is there, 1 and minus half also has to be there. Yes, right? Because I have 5 L values, 5 ml values. सबका प्लस अप कंपोनेंट नीला है, सबका माइनस अप कंपोनेंट नीला है. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So what should I do? So that means I should block one from here. 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 So these 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 states you clubbed into one term. Yes?
Yes, sir.
You see that on what basis? So out of this, you have to bring life to the equations. You have to bring life to the tables, right? So this is how you get the life. So these are the 10 states which can be clubbed into one term, 2D. What is my next step? So these things you can forget. Ho gaya. Aage chalo. What is next? I can look here, jo unblocked hai. Or I can look here, right? Let us look at this guy. What is the meaning of this? Please tell me. What is the meaning of this? What is the ML value and what is the capital MS?
ML value is plus 1.
Plus 1. What is the, if our ML value is plus 1, that means there has to be an MS value of 0 and minus 1 too? Sorry, minus 1,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So then what happens? So this gives
N
me
root N value.
L value of 1.
Yes, sir.
And then what is the S value? MS value? It is in the plus F. So MS value is plus F. Right? MS value is equal to plus F means you have a situation just like the before again.
S equal to plus of.
So that means your S is equal to, so your S is equal to again half. Right? So what is my term? So if your L is equal to 1 and S is equal to half, what is my term?
2p.
2p. Where are they sitting here? So 2p, right? 2 means plus up and minus up. So 1 is here. Let us put it like this. Right? And 1 from here. Because it will take 1, 0, minus 1. 1, 1, 0, minus 1. And then plus up and minus 1. 1, 0, minus 1. How many states from 2p?
6 steps.
So you see that, so you got 10 states from here. You got 6 states from here. What else remains? I can look for here. What is going to happen? You tell me. So so just work it out. What is my L?
0.
0, L, sorry, not ML. ML is equal to 0.
L is
Right?
0.
So L is equal to
0.
0. And what is this? Capital MS?
Plus 3 by 2.
Plus 3 by 2. If capital MS is equal to plus 3 by 2, what can be my S? MS plus 3 by 2 comes with some other values. What are those? What are those? There are always twice S plus 1 values of MS. This simple rule. तुम लोग इतना इक्वेशन इतना बड़ा बड़ा कंपाउंड याद रख रहे हो, बट इतना सा सिंपल सा चीज में कंफ्यूजन है. There are always twice S plus 1 values of MS, right? So if your MS is 3 by 2, what are the other components has to be there? That means 1 MS, S goes from minus MS, MS goes from minus S to plus S, right? So there, don't you think that there should be an MS value of plus half, minus half, and plus 3 by 2? That will be corresponding to your S is equal to 3 by 2. If my S is equal to 3 by 2, what are my MS values, Abhilipsa?
Those 4 values. Plus
What are
minus.
those 4 values? What are those 4 values?
Plus minus 3 by 2 and plus minus half.
So you realize why could not you answer before? What was the problem? Problem is that exercise nahi kar rahe ho. That is the problem. Okay? So okay. So you can see that your L is equal to 0 and MS is equal to 3 by 2, half, minus half, minus half. That means instead of going to the column, I should look for the row. So these are my 4 states. So let us give a diamond. Okay, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, right? And of course, what is this state? L is equal to 0, S is equal to 3 by 2. What is this state? Term? What is the term?
4s.
4?
S.
4s, yes. So it is 4s. This is the Eureka moment. You see that? So 4s means degeneracy is 4. So you got 10 plus 6 plus 4 is 20 states. So I got 3 terms out of 20 states. Everything clear? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
अभी टर्म सिंबल समझ आया कि नहीं? अभी कंफ्यूजन है? You can work out. कम से कम इतना तो कॉन्फिडेंस हुआ कि I can work out. हाँ? You can work out? Okay. So this is where I thought I wanted to start the next level of our study. So in the next class, we'll start with.
Sir,
Hello?
I have like a question, but I
Yes.
don't know whether it is relevant or not. Like, I cannot understand why we are blocking only one state from like each,
Which
because
table, left or right? Which table, left or right? You just tell me.
left
Okay.
the
हाँ
huh.
हाँ.
Why
बोलो.
are we like when we are doing, like when we know that ml equals to 2 and ms is half, so L is 2 and S is half, so we can have ms equals to half and minus half, and L is minus 2 to plus 2. So why are we blocking like only one state from each level? Like why can't we block both the states? Because
Ah, okay. So let me explain. I think I know these are the questions. It is good that you raised. I thought I answered. Of course I answered, but let me make it clear. So let us take 2D, right? So 2D is the first one we did. What was my L and S? Let us see. You see the how simple things can be so difficult. So L is equal to 2, S is equal to half, right? This is, you agree with this?
yes,
Now let us, you say that why I pick one from here, one from here, one from here, one from here, one from here. This is what you are asking, right?
like
Let-
for some levels there are two also, so why can't we block them both?
No, I cannot. That is why you have to understand the rules of quantum mechanics. The rule is very simple, but the simple things are very profound in life. You know, we just ignore them. The gas is green. It looks very simple, but it is not very simple. So let us see why I can take only one. Because your L is equal to 2 means I have 5 ml values. तुमको सबको साथ के लेके जाना पड़ेगा. Democracy है. So that means my ml has to take 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. That means what? 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. First of all, I must take into every column. Sorry, every row.
Every row.
For every row, I have to take 1. Why 1? Because I have an S is equal to half. That means my MS is equal to minus half and plus half. My MS is minus half here. My MS is plus half here. So I have to take one from here too. You see that? So I take one from here, one from here. So that means 2 half, 2 minus half. That means, madam, so that means, let us see. So very quickly you can see this. I must follow this principle. So that means plus 2, plus 1, 0, -1, -2. You have agreed that this is the ML values. Right, Adrija?
Yes, sir.
And how do I take the plus half and minus half? सब ml के लिए सब ms चाहिए मुझे. तो कैसे करेंगे? If you want to take one from here, if you say that I will take one from here, 2 from here, right? So तुम बोलोगे ठीक है मैं यहाँ से 3 ले लेता हूँ, यहाँ से 3 ले लेता हूँ. But the problem is that how will you get the other ones? How will you get 2 half, 2 minus half? और तो तुमको तो सबके लिए एक चाहिए. 2 half के लिए एक चाहिए, 2 minus half के लिए एक चाहिए state. Then you need 1 half state, you need 1 minus half state. You need 0 half state, you need 0 minus half state. You understand? If this is the rule, how can I take more from one entry? Is it clear now? The same thing will happen to all of them. Similarly for 4s, if you see that 4s के लिए क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारा L is equal to 0, that means my capital L ML is not going to change from 0, that means you must restrict your movement to only this line. But your MS has 4 values, plus 3 by 2, plus 3 by 2, plus up, minus 3 by 2. That means you have 4 components, 0, 3 by 2, 0 half, 0 minus up, 0 3 by 2, 0 minus 3 by 2. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so that is how. Similarly for the 2p, also you are restricted by this kind of stuff because your L is 1, 0, minus 1. Right? Capital L is, sorry, ML is 1, 0, ML minus 1, but your MS value is 2, half and minus half. That means you must take 1 half, 1 minus half, 0 half, 0 minus half, minus 1 half, minus 1 minus half. So that will give you 6 states.
Okay, so I got it. Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yes.
So just work it out. Okay, I hope now you will be able to do something, Okay, so in the next class, then we'll start with the mathematical, a little bit, mathematics you have to do. So we'll do the basis first. So basis and all this kind of stuff, bracket notation, just little bit, and then we'll take it to the real problem, how to go for more than one electron problems. So we have to take the, you have a class? Do you have a class? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you should tell me, you can write in the chat box. Anyway, so we'll meet in the Monday, okay? And so, Surabhi, you have to write to me those things that we discussed in the
sir.
class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye-bye then. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you too.
Okay.